Today, manufacturers and processors of veneer products expect not only first-class quality of the machined systems, but also high efficiency, a wide range of application possibilities, and a process environment that is individually optimized to meet their needs. The Kuper Face veneer line offers cutting-edge technology and is the innovative answer to exactly these needs. High process reliability, consistently excellent quality, and a short training phase for employees are the outstanding features of this system. First of all, the veneer is prepared in the so-called cross-cutting clipper as part of the length cutting process. Via a two-hand control, a solid knife bar on the Kuper QFS 850 ensures precise and consistently clean cutting. The Kuper ZFS 3200 double knife veneer guillotine cuts the bundle in one working cycle. Different cutting lengths and table widths are supported. An optionally available optimizing laser enables exact positioning of the veneers and thus ensures a clean and dimensionally accurate edge. The advantage: few rejects and a high yield. In this way, large quantities of veneers can be produced in a short time. And this, by the way, even with strong veneers. The ZFS 3200 impresses with an enormously wide and variable application and processing range, high efficiency, and maximum output. In short, a perfect machine for all applications. The Siemens Simatec touchscreen provides a clearly structured control panel. All machine parameters are controlled simply and clearly via an intuitively designed user interface. Nevertheless, flexibility is not neglected. A quick change of work programs, as well as a logical error search with corresponding help text, guarantees high productivity and maximum ease of work. In the ZFS 3200, a hydraulically driven pressure beam with 2 pressure stages and a massive gear motor ensure extreme load capacity and performance of the machine. Specially manufactured veneer knives guarantee the special cutting quality for which Kuper is known. The durability of our knives is always an outstanding criterion and, for our customers, means low wear, low maintenance costs, and high productivity. For difficult veneer types, an optional recutting device is recommended for precise knife cutting at the front and back. The result: due to a considerably improved cutting edge, the joint quality in further processing is significantly increased. To produce veneer strips as part of edge production, the chain dimension selection offers optimum flexibility and thus ensures significantly higher output through corresponding time savings as well as increased efficiency. Our main focus is on Industry 4.0. Automation and digital production processes are the key to maximum productivity. The digital transfer of dimensions to the downstream Kuper KLM line significantly optimizes processes through automation and reduces input errors. The Kuper KLM 470 glue application machine ensures process-reliable gluing of the veneer bundles. One of the highlights: the particularly easy-to-use Simatec HMI touch panel with Siemens control and access to all machine parameters. In the recipe management with 4 basic programs, the user can choose between the settings hard, medium, soft, and X-Soft. In the X-Soft program, 5 veneer sheets can be glued simultaneously without any problems. Optionally available is a veneer width detection, which opens and closes an automatic gluing of the traversing sides. Manual time-consuming operation and extensive setup processes are thus a thing of the past. A toothed belt drive ensures optimum workpiece transport. Light sensor technology enables height detection of the veneer bundle. Proportional valves ensure the optimal adjustment of all pressures, thus reducing the amount of glue dispensed, a material cost saving that pays off. The fine and hardly visible glue application leads to improved process reliability, especially in further processing, as there is no glue leakage in the joint formation. The Kuper FFM unit impresses with its automatic fanning of the veneer bundle for drying the glue. What makes it special? V-belt guided conveyor belts, both above and below, ensure trouble-free workpiece transport and exact fanning. Manual intervention by the machine user is no longer necessary. The degree of fanning is determined by pneumatically adjustable pressure. The high-performance Kuper ACR puts the glue joints together crosswise. The veneer strips are optimally positioned behind the separating pins by means of innovative measuring wheel sensors. The result: fewer disruptions in the production process and reliable processing even of wavy veneers. The Kuper VSR module is an end gluing and trimming machine. Here, the veneer carpets are reinforced at the ends either with Kuper glue thread or with tape, and at the same time, trimmed exactly to the required size. And this without any rework. The precise dimensional accuracy throughout the entire production process ensures not only high productivity, but also outstanding quality, right through to the final processing stage. The Kuper ZFS unit enables cutting of veneer bundles on both sides with upper and lower knives. A powerful table drive via toothed belts and recirculating ball screws ensures fast, precise, and exact positioning of the table. Despite the compact design and small space requirement of the three-phase geared motor for the knife bar, a high power supply and exceptional stability are guaranteed. Do you want powerful hydraulics that still offer a low-noise environment? Our compact hydraulic unit works particularly quietly and reacts exclusively within the scope of the cutting processes. Noise emissions caused by continuous noise from the hydraulic pump are thus avoided in the long term. All modules of the presented Kuper line stand out with good accessibility of all important machine parts. Cleaning work on the Kuper KLM 470 can be carried out quickly and easily by simply removing and installing the transport rollers. It is the same with the glue pots. Here too, the rubberized, lasered glue rollers can be easily cleaned or replaced. A cooling plate under the glue pot ensures a longer pot life and thus less repair work and a corresponding cost saving. Just typical Kuper, easy to operate and maintain, down to the smallest detail. Conveyor belts of the Kuper FFM line, which are guided by low-maintenance V-belts, mean optimum and particularly safe workpiece transport. An optimization in the latest generation also enables particularly fast and uncomplicated changing of the belts. The result: less maintenance and less downtime. A simple and quick inspection of the trimming unit is another highlight of the Kuper ACR line. By selecting the parking position, all necessary maintenance work can be carried out conveniently and efficiently. Using the touchscreen, the operator finally ends the parking position and causes the machine to move into work mode. Easy accessibility is guaranteed for more extensive functional checks of the machine parts. Maintenance and cleaning work can thus be carried out particularly easily and practically. User-friendliness à la Kuper. And one more important detail. The first sheet infeed for veneer strips from 60 mm has been optimized. Significantly higher process reliability leads to less downtime and considerable time savings. The Kuper Face veneer line offers veneer technology at the highest level, made in Germany. Trust in our many years of experience, competence, and excellent service quality. Your one-stop shop, always there for you.